New York State Assembly member Kenny Burgos presents the Youth Resource Fair at the Bronx River Houses Community Center.
The reason why we're here is to provide resources to the youth. You know, our community, we don't have enough resources, especially for the kids in our community. And I thought this would be a great idea for us to, to gather a couple of organizations that are doing a lot of great work in the community, that provide a lot of good resources, financial literacy, college readiness, IT programs, that is out of the outreach of the kids, in our community. So, I invited a couple of organizations, and this is why we're here, just to let the kids know this is what is available in the community.
The fair included various programs for young people to get involved with and learn life skills that will help them in the future.
Npower is a national nonprofit that provides free technical training, professional development, and job placement assistance for young adults and veterans. It provides a pathway to greater employment opportunities within the tech industry. As you know, tech industry is growing and ever expanding. Technology is an everyday part of our life, and lots of companies and organizations, they need qualified tech professionals to be able to support those systems. And our organization provides the opportunity for people from underserved communities or diverse backgrounds to enter into the tech industry by providing them with the technical training, the certifications, the professional development, and the support they need to be able to start working.
Rocking the Boat, as I said, a youth development organization for middle school and high school youth. So they can come to us and they can learn carpentry and woodworking and learn how to build wooden rowboats, which we use on the Bronx River. We row the public in the summer for free in Hunts Point Riverside Park on Saturdays and Sundays. So yes, I encourage everybody to come out and discover the Bronx River and get a ride on a rowboat and see what that's all about.
We're a nonprofit. We're about to celebrate our 40th anniversary. We're located in the northeast section of the Bronx, but more recently we've been doing work in different zip codes and different areas of the Bronx. We have a youth financial literacy program that we have implemented and we're trying to expand on. So we're here just gathering information and feedback from the teens here to hear more about what they're looking for, and hopefully they can be part of that second cohort for the youth financial literacy initiative that we have.
As you saw, the young people were fully invested in the information they were given. For BronxNet, this is Kairi Moody.